When I get excited, like my voice gets deep. I don't know if anybody's noticed, but I'm just trying to calm down a little bit so I can get that that deepness out of my voice. You see? Like it's coming back, like my voice is coming back, like
One time for the birthday chick, 2 times for the birthday chick, 3 times for the birthday chick.
Hey beauty babes, welcome back to my channel. I miss you guys so much. Thank you so much for joining me today. If you are new to my channel, hi darling, welcome. My name is Shanicia, and on my channel I do makeup tutorial for beginners. I also do a bit of makeup challenge and will be doing lifestyle, but the country is basically under lockdown, so I can't really go anywhere. So that's on pause for the moment. So if any of those topics or content interests you, please go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Now, today's video is going to be all about PLouise. Now, over the last couple of weeks, I cannot remember exactly when it was, but it was like last month sometimes, PLouise had a birthday sale. I think it was their 3rd anniversary. If that is incorrect, I will look it up and put it on the screen. If not, then it's 3 years anniversary they're celebrating. It's a birthday package. It is everything, you guys. Like, oh my god, it is beautifully packaged. It just gives you this princess like cakey vibe. I really love it. And then I ordered this one. I was honestly trying to cancel it because what happened with this one was that I went on their website and the one that I wanted, they didn't have it, and this was like 2 days or so before the PLouise birthday base came out. I'm gonna chat a little bit here, guys, so kind of bear with me. Let me get this off my chest because I vented to their customer service and it didn't work. I mean, it did work. Honestly, they were super nice, so thumbs up on that, PLouise. Your customer service is excellent. Y'all kind of like, I was an angry customer. They calmed me down and I was like, don't worry about it, I'll just take it. But anyways, that's how I ended up getting 2 packages. So I went on their website. I wanted like the colored ones, but I think they had a bundle deal, but they didn't have like the brush in it, and because they didn't have the brush in it, they was like, you know, I can't get it, so like, all right, whatever, just give me the base then. Just give me the contour kit then. And then I took the contour kit and then I didn't want it anymore because I didn't really get what I want. You know, that way you kind of just didn't get what you want, so you kind of like don't want it anymore. So I was getting that, and then the birthday sale came out and I was like, oh, but I could get everything here. I want to cancel. I was trying to cancel so hard, and she was like, you can cancel. Let me know what you want, we can change it, whatever. I'm like, okay, cool, fine. So today is going to be an unboxing of the PLouise base. I mean, like, guys, I've never actually told you guys that I've been like obsessed with the PLouise base. I mean, like, every video, every post on Instagram is all the way PLouise base, PLouise base. I'm like, okay. Anyways, I have it now, so I'm just gonna let it go. So before I get into the unboxing, can y'all recognize that I did my nails for you guys? Can y'all just like recognize this? Every single video I come out here, y'all gave me a lot of love on Instagram for these nails. Like, thank y'all guys. So thank you guys so much. I appreciate all the love you guys gave me. So let's get into this PLouise base. I'm gonna start off with this little package because, hey, y'all want to see what's in the big bag, right? That's what y'all want to see. Okay, so I'm gonna do a few swatches of the colored ones because I want to, and I've been waiting to do a few swatches of them to see. Sorry, I think I burped. I thought there was another one coming on. Okay, so I am literally going to be showing you guys this one. So first off, in this base, I got 3 contour sets. I got number 5. So I also got the number 8 base. And this one is for my contour. I also got with this package as well 262 brush. I think it's for contour. I have used it. I'm not really that much of a fan of it. I tried using it, putting on my setting powder. I didn't really like it. It's kind of like too loose. It's not like firm enough. I'm not too crazy about this. It's kind of like whatever for me. But they came in this little beautiful little cute pack. PLouise did amazing on the package, and I could not even complain because it was beautiful. Like honestly, it was gorgeous. They also gave this thing. I'm gonna assume this is what people use to give their reviews. Even this was so good. All right, so this reads, "Thank you for your order, babes. Now get ready to be obsessed." Can you have a more perfect tagline? Like, I am already obsessed, darling. Like, stop it. Anyways, so that was it. All right, guys, so let us get into the bigger box. I already destroyed the box trying to pull it. So unfortunately, I don't have a pretty cute ass box for you guys. Okay, so let me unbox and begin. One thing I have literally been dying to open is this. I only got one, and it's called Crisp Finish, and this came in the package. It is absolutely gorgeous, and I've been just dying to try it, but I wanted to unbox it with you guys here with me. So we're gonna be trying it together, kind of, but you get what I mean. So I'm gonna grab a scissors and cut this baby open. Ooh. I will say it's much smaller than I thought it would be. It is so much smaller. Because these one display, like, it seemed like something like super big. But it's much smaller. So it also came with the 7072 brush. Came in a blue color too. I'm gonna do the swatch right now. I don't know if I'm doing this right either, so. There we go. Kind of did like a small swatch for you guys. I will say that I really do like it. I feel like it dries a little bit quickly. Yeah, I think it dries quickly a little bit because I'm touching it, and there's a little bit of transfer here, but that's totally fine. The color comes out beautifully, which is what I wanted, and it serves its purpose. So let's move on to the next one. These are some singles that I got. Let me just open. The nails guy got me like a little crazy. All right, so these I got singles, but they also came in the birthday package. So first off, I had the Rude Boy Red. I will be doing swatches of that. I'm just showing you guys what I have. And then next I have Oat Orange. And then next I have Yummy Yellow. And I also decided that I wanted a lighter, you know, base for my eyelids. So I also went ahead and got the number 4 in the base. And I also went and got black because this is black. I could think of so many things that I could do with the black. So I could not leave this baby. So these are the color, you guys, and of course I am going to be doing swatches. So I'm going to start back with Rude Boy Red. I used a brush to do the swatch before, but I think I'm going to use my finger for this one. Ooh, the red is gorge. Like, I'm being a little bit stingy with these swatches, but I want you guys to understand how pigmented these things are. They are super pigmented. I'm going in with the orange right now. So this is the orange that's right next to the blue. I'm gonna be going in with the yellow. That's the Yummy Yellow. The Yummy Yellow is a bit subtle for me. It's very pretty, but it's not super bright. It's very subtle. I'm gonna have to start wiping off. So I use the wipes to wipe it off, and they come off pretty okay. So now I'm gonna go into the black because I've actually been curious to see like how. Ooh, it looks super black. The black is like, I think it has the potential to be super black. I don't know, let me just add some more. It's still pretty okay. I have not used it yet. So far the other colors are super amazing. I do love. Alright guys, so I'm gonna get these out of the way, and I also bought their Acid Rain. This one I was super excited about because I saw this on the PLouise Instagram page. I think I saw them using the pink one and I was like, ooh, yes. I mean, I really like how it looks. This wasn't, this one is in Ecstasy. Again, like, I am so impressed with the packaging, you guys. I can't not acknowledge their packaging. Like, who cannot, if that makes sense. All right, so I'm gonna try the Acid Rain right now. It's very similar to the Crease. You realize that they're very similar. This is them side by side. But let's see the pigment of this, okay? That's what we're here for. I'm using a brush for this one because I keep messing up my hand. The heck? I put it where I can see and you guys can't see. So let me do this if you can. I'm just curious, can any of y'all tell that I'm not great at swatching? Oh my gosh, I am not. I can't believe this is supposed to be easy. Anyways, whatever. This is how it's looking. So last but not least, the last thing in the package, guys. Wait, is it the last thing? How did I not see this? So this is Raver. Like, how did I not see Raver? I mean, like, I literally could not get off the website without getting Raver because I saw a demonstration on the PLouise thingy with this exact color, and I was like, okay, I don't care about anything else. I mean, I do care about everything else, but like, I really want that. Like, I can't pull it. Like, I'm so excited. I don't want to destroy the thingy, but all right, calm down. Oh my gosh, why are these things so hard to open when you got nails on? Let me see if I can like use my. I'm using my. Yeah, this worked. My lash curler worked. Anyways, come on, Raver, get out. Get out, get out, get out, get out, get out, get out. Okay. So guys, this is Raver. This is also one of the Acid Rain. This is a super, super pretty pink. Like, even if I had to just like sit and look at these, I am excited. This is so pretty right here. And it's so pigmented. Like, look at that on my finger. Still have one more thing. Like, I got a lot of stuff, didn't I? Like, I'm so happy with what I got. It wasn't my intention to get so much stuff, but it was like hard to resist because everything like was half price, like $5 for this, and the cute bundles and stuff were going at super good deals, like super good. So I was like, I'm getting that, I'm getting that, I'm getting that. Guys, this packaging is everything. Like, I'm gonna show you what I mean. Like, let me take my time and open this package for you guys. There we go. Do you know the amount of thought that went into this. Like these, let's be real, I ain't basic. Like everybody can relate to that, and it's all about their base because the company, it's all about the base. I did not do that on purpose. That happened, okay? That happened. And not only the packaging is good, but the products are just as fabulous. So let me just stop freaking out over the product and literally like give you guys some swatches. Let us get into the final base for this video. So the first one I have is a blue and it's called Touch of Frost. This is the Purple Vivid Violet. So it's right next to the other purple. So you see how dark this one is, and this one is super light. This one looks almost like my nail. I'm going to do the green one next. This is Hint of Mint. There we go. So the green one looks really nice. I really like it. And the last one that I have for you guys, this is Winter Rose. I added Winter Rose to my cart like 4 or 5 times, and I had to be like, wait, no, I added Winter Rose already. So I hope Winter Rose is like super worth all the hype that I gave it. It's like a bubblegum pink. I really like that. There, it's like a bubblegum pink. It's very subtle. So those were all the bases, and thank you guys so much for joining me for this super awesome unboxing. Like, I hope I did all of these bases justice for you guys. Anyways, you guys, this is the end of the video. I already know that I did like a horrible swatch job. Can we just not talk about that? Like, but again, thank you guys. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. I love you guys so much. Until next time, bye babes.